You're eaten alive by 7 p.m. every single evening, slapping your ankles while your neighbor's grilling out, sitting there completely bite-free. That's not luck. That's not some expensive fogging service they hired. It's because their yard is missing 4 specific things mosquitoes physically need to survive, and yours has all of them. There are 5 fixes for this, and the cheapest one costs $2 and takes 10 minutes. The oldest one dates back to ancient Rome. Hang in with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly what's sitting in your yard right now that's inviting them in. The pest control industry runs on a subscription model. $400 to $600 a year for repeat mosquito fogging treatments that only last 2 to 3 weeks before you're calling them again. Standing water elimination and larvicide dunks solve the root problem for under $10 total. Permanently. Which is exactly why a $700 million a year mosquito control industry doesn't lead with that information. Fix number 1. Standing water audit. $0 cost. A single bottle cap of water holds enough volume for mosquito larvae to fully develop, and female mosquitoes lay 100 to 300 eggs at a time, directly on standing water surfaces. Walk your yard and dump anything holding water for more than 4 days. Clogged gutters, plant saucers, upturned toys are all culprits. This one step alone eliminates roughly 70 to 80% of backyard mosquito breeding sites, according to CDC vector control guidelines. Fix number 2, mosquito dunks, $6 for a pack of 6, lasting 30 days each. These contain Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, a naturally occurring bacteria first identified in 1976 that kills mosquito larvae without harming birds, pets, or beneficial insects. Drop 1 dunk in any water feature, bird bath, or rain barrel you can't fully drain. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: spraying citronella candles and stopping there. Citronella only masks your scent within a 2 to 3 foot radius. It does nothing about the eggs already developing 20 feet away in your gutters. Fix number 3. Coffee grounds. $2 for what you've already got in your kitchen. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Pesticide Science found used coffee grounds forced mosquito eggs to the water's surface, cutting off their oxygen and reducing larval hatching by up to 80%. Sprinkle a thin layer directly on any standing water you can't remove. Fix number 4. Cedar mulch. Roughly $4 for a small bag. Ancient Romans documented using cedar and cypress wood specifically to repel biting insects from grain stores as early as the 1st century BC. Cedar's natural oils, primarily thujone and cedrol, repel adult mosquitoes on contact. Spread it around patio seating areas and entry points to your yard. Fix number 5. A $12 box fan on your porch. Mosquitoes are weak flyers, capable of handling wind speeds under 1 mile per hour, and a fan running at medium speed creates enough disruption that they simply can't land on exposed skin, regardless of scent or CO2 output. None of this eliminates mosquitoes flying in from a neighbor's untreated yard next door, and dunks need reapplying every 30 days to stay effective. This is prevention, not a one-time fix. Skip the water audit for even a week, and eggs start developing again. Total cost for all 5 fixes, under $25 combined, one time, versus $400 to $600 a year for recurring fogging service that stops working within 3 weeks anyway. If this explained your neighbor's bite-free yard, hit that like button. It tells me what backyard mystery to break down next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me how bad mosquitoes get where you live, and which fix you're trying first. Stay sharp out there. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community.